Hello student, I am Sangeeta Mansukhani and this is the video number 13th and this video for 11th standard. In the last video I already explained exercise question number 1st, 2nd and 3rd. But third remaining questions is 2nd and 4th. See, justify that the following reactions are redox reaction. So this remaining third number 4 BCl3 gas plus 3 lithium aluminum hydride convert into the B2H6 LiCl plus AlCl3. See, 4 BCl3 plus 3 LiAl4 B2H6 and LiCl plus 3 AlCl3. So boron, oxidation of boron in BCl3 because Cl minus 3, so boron is plus 3 and Cl minus 1. In lithium aluminum hydride, lithium is plus 1, aluminum plus 3 and hydrogen minus 1. In B2H6 boron minus 3 and hydrogen plus 1. Because here borohydride, okay, boron, LiCl plus 1 and Cl minus 1, aluminum chloride plus 3 and minus 1. So here you see boron here plus 3, okay, and here boron minus 3. So plus 3 to plus minus 3, here plus 3 and here minus 3. So plus 3 decrease to minus 3. So that is means in decretion, okay, decrease in the oxidation number, and plus 3 to minus 3, that is means gain of the electron, so reduction, okay. And here you see the oxidation of hydrogen increase, here minus 1 and here hydrogen plus 1. So minus 1 to plus 1, loss of electron, that is means oxidation. So reduction and oxidation both occurs. So that is means this is reaction, redox reaction. Then fourth example. K solid plus F2 gas convert into the 2KF solid. So here you see elemental, so 0 oxidation number. It is also elemental, 0, elemental. So 0 oxidation number. So oxidation number of K and F. Here you see KF we have to write because it is written wrong way. 2KF. Plus 1 and minus 1. Here K 0 and here 0. So K potassium 0 to convert into the plus 1. So increase the oxidation number. So increase the oxidation number, that is mean, and 0 to plus 1, that is mean loss of the electron. So it is oxidation. And 0 to minus 1, gain of electron and decrease oxidation number. So it is reduction. So both occur. So it is redox reaction. Then for fifth example, 4NH3 convert into the 5O2 and react with 5O2 and convert into the nitric oxide and water. So here you see nitrogen minus 3 because hydrogen plus 1. So nitrogen minus 3 valency, oxygen elemental, so 0, nitric oxide, here oxygen minus 2, so here plus 2, and water plus 1 and oxygen minus 2. So here you will see nitrogen minus 3 and convert into the plus 2. Okay, and oxygen 0, and here convert into the -2. So gain of electron is reduction, and here loss of electron, so oxidation. So both are occurs in one reaction, oxidation and reduction. So this is a redox reaction. So only for we see oxidation number, then we have to identify oxidation and reduction. Okay, question number 4. Fluorine react with ice and result in the change. Here you see H2O solid and plus F2 gas convert into the HF gas and HOF gas. So justify that this reaction is redox reaction. So here you see water solid way, hydrogen plus 1, oxygen minus 2, fluorine elemental so 0, HF hydrogen plus 1, fluorine minus 1, and in HOF hydrogen plus 1, oxygen minus 2, and fluorine plus 1. Okay, so the oxidation number here fluorine 0 and here fluorine minus 1. Here you see hydrogen plus 1, oxygen minus 2. So minus 2 plus 1, minus 1, and going to the right side, so fluorine obtained plus 1 oxidation state. Okay, so fluorine 0 to plus 1, so increase oxidation number, so that is means oxidation. And here fluorine to the here minus 1, okay, so gain of fluorine increase from 0 to plus 1, so increased oxidation number, oxidation, and 0 to minus 1, so decrease oxidation number, so reduction. Ab depend on you, your choice, you according to see oxidation number, otherwise loss of electron and gain of electron. 0 to minus 1, gain of electron, so reduction, so and 0 to plus 1, loss of electron, oxidation. Both oxidation and reduction occurs, so this reaction is a redox reaction. So fluorine is both reduced as well as oxidized, so it is redox reaction. Then question number 5. Calculate the oxidation number of chromium, sulfur, nitrogen in sulfuric acid, chromium oxide, dichromatation, NO3 minus, nitrate ion. So give the structure for the compound. So first we have to oxidation number find and then structure draw. So first we have to see sulfuric acid. So sulfuric acid, we have to find oxidation number of sulfur. So let X be the oxidation number of sulfur. So oxidation number of oxygen minus 2 and hydrogen plus 1. So see structure, but first we have to draw structure. Sulfur attached with 5 oxygen, 1 2 3 4 5, 2 oxygen by double bond and 2 hydrogen. This is the structure of the H2SO5. Then oxygen minus 2 oxidation number and hydrogen plus 1. Put the value. Hydrogen 2 into plus 1 and sulfur 1x and plus oxygen minus 2. So 5 into minus 2 is equal to 0. So 2 plus x minus 10 is equal to 0. So x is equal to plus 8, but the oxidation number of sulfur cannot be plus 8 as sulfur has 6 valence electron. So therefore the oxidation number of sulfur cannot be more than plus 6. So the structure of H2SO4 as given according to the way. So we have to write 2 plus 1 hydrogen, sulfur 1x, and here oxygen 3 minus 2. 3 oxygen minus 2 and 2 oxygen minus 1. Okay, so here you see 2 oxygen here minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 and 2 oxygen between the sulfur and oxygen, it is gain way minus 1. So 3 into minus 2 and 2 into minus 1 is equal to 0. Then calculate 2 plus x plus 6 minus 6 minus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to plus 6. So it is correct. Oxidation number of sulfur is plus 6 because sulfur has 6 valence electron. Then second, Cr2O7 2 minus. So we have to find oxidation number chromium. So let x be the oxidation number of chromium. So oxidation number of oxygen minus 2. Then calculate 2 into x plus 7 into minus 2 and upper side charge minus 2 going to the right side minus 2. Then calculate 2x 7 to the 14 minus 14 is equal to minus 2. So 2x, so minus 14 going to the right side plus 14, so plus 12 and divide by 2, so 6. But there is no fallacy about the oxidation number of chromium in Cr2O7 2 minus. Okay. So see, 2 chromium atom. So each of the 2 chromium atom has the oxidation number of chromium. See, we have to draw this diagram. Chromium attached with 7 oxygen. So 1 chromium attached 3 and second chromium attached 3 and in between 1 oxygen. Okay. So see, according to the structure, we have to find oxidation number of chromium. Okay. So chromium have to find plus 6. Okay. This is the structure of the chromium, dichromate ion. Then third, NO3 minus. So we have to find oxidation number of nitrogen. So let x be the oxidation of nitrogen. So oxidation number of oxygen minus 2, put the value 1 into x plus oxygen 3. So 3 into minus 2 and upper side minus 1 charge going to the right side minus 1. So x is equal to minus 6 is equal to minus 1. So minus 6 going to the right side. So plus 6 minus 1 plus 5. But there is no fallacy about the oxidation of nitrogen in NO3 minus. So structure of the NO3 minus, C and double bond O, single bond O and coordinated bond with oxygen. Okay, and this is minus 1. Okay, so nitrogen atom has the oxidation number of plus 5. Then write the formulas for the following compound. Mercury, first mercury. Okay, mercury chloride. So mercury chloride, so HgCl2. Okay, then nickel second sulfate, so nickel Ni and sulfate SO4. So second oxidation number, so NiSO4. Tin fourth oxide, tin SN oxide O2, but we have to use 4. This is oxidation number. See, mercury first we have to write Hg and chloride Cl. So we have to find 2 oxidation number of Hg. So we have to write plus 2 and then we have to write how much chlorine atom, how many. So X, so going to the right side minus 2. X is equal to minus 2. So we have to write 2 downside of the Cl. Here similar way, nickel Ni and sulfate SO4. Okay, so nickel plus 2 and sulfate minus 2. So plus X minus 2. So cancel each together. So NiSO4. Okay, tin fourth oxide. So tin SN and oxide O. So tin plus 4 and oxide minus 2. So only for plus 2 cancel. So oxygen remain 2 downside. Okay, SnO2. Then for thallium, first sulfate, thallium sulfate Tl2SO4, thallium sulfate Tl and SO4. Okay, so thallium given oxidation number plus 1 and sulfate -2. So -2 going to the downside and +1 going to the sulfate downside. So 2 going to the downside of the thallium, Tl2SO4. Then iron third sulfate, iron Fe and sulfate SO4. So Fe given oxidation number +3 and sulfate -2. So going to the right side, Fe 2 and then 3 SO4 3. Then chromium oxide, chromium Cr oxide O, chromium +3 and oxide -2. So going to the downside, 2 going downside chromium and 3 going downside the oxygen. So this type of oxidation number, write the structure this way. Mercury chloride, first HgCl2. So simple way, Hg +2 and X -1. So going to the right side, +2 going to the downside. Nickel second sulfate NiSO4, tin oxide SnO2. Okay, so this is the formulas of the following compounds. Next topic I will be explained in next video. Thank you so much.